Yes.
Yeah, hi.
It's an honor to meet you, sir.
Honor is all mine. Thank you.
My name is Dhatri and I'm a final year student. And my question to you is, as my college life is ending, yeah, if you were a college student again, what would you do differently to make the most of your time when you were a college student?
Wow, this is so special, yeah. So she's asking, she's in the final year, the college life is ending, and what would she do? What would I do if I'm having the final days in the college, right? I would relive those 3-4 years in those 4 days. Spend a lot of time with my friends, eat with them, roam with them, won't sleep. And I think that's what you should do, yeah, because these years are never going to come back. Make the most out of it and be proud of yourself that you've done it. Make your family proud, yeah. God bless you for this.
Yes, sir, I resonate with those feelings at this point.
Thank you.
Next.
Alright, kapde nikal.
Hi, sir. Proceed. Ask
Hi,
question.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, down here.
Yeah, hi man.
My name is Shaurya Gupta.
Yeah.
So my question is that you have worked towards so many causes. So what keeps you motivated to keep doing that? I mean, what's the motivation behind that?
I think every time you bring a smile on a face that comes to you with a hope, that motivates you to do again. Yeah. That's the best feeling, that's the best visual when someone comes to you with a hope and you make things happen. I think I haven't felt better than that ever in my life. So I think that's what we should also do.
Okay, next.
Hi, sir.
Mike!
Use mic and proceed.
ball.
Okay, next question. Proceed.
आगे उतारता हूँ मैं उधर.
Hello sir. So my name is Samia Shah. I am also from electronics. My question is, what's a lesson that you have remembered, like you have learned from your journey and you want all the youngsters out here to remember while they face setbacks in their life?
I think, in today's time when we are so glued to our social medias, we are spending less time with our families, yeah. So I think that's what you should do, because the parents are waiting for the kids to make it happen, to achieve their goals. And sometimes we are so busy in our lives, we are not spending time with their families. So go and tell them that how much you love them. And I think that's the best thing you can do for them. You're studying, you're achieving your goals for yourselves, but I think make sure your families, your parents are with you in this journey now. Very important.
Thank
Yeah,
you sir.
next question, please. Sam will come on the other side. Last 2 questions. Students, be ready with your question.
हाँ जी सर, रेडी. आ रहा हूँ मेरे भाई, आ रहा हूँ.
Hi sir, this is Arjun.
Louder,
Hello sir.
louder.
Hello sir.
Yes.
Yes, I am Arjun and first of all thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. My question is, we all know very well that you have worked in movies as well as philanthropy. So how do you maintain this balance between your work, purpose and passion?
I think the most, for me, movies come second. My purpose in life of giving back to the society comes first. So I think that's what gives me happiness. I enjoyed being an actor for so many years. I still do. But I think the major part of my life is dedicated towards the society, which I enjoy the most. I've already opened 2 orphanages. I want to open many more. I want to open some institutes like VIT, sir. Guide me, sir, guide me in this. So something, where I can have so many beautiful students who are going to make the country proud. So maybe I'll do one something like this, because giving back to the society through education is the most important thing you can do today. Thank you.
Thank you. The last question. After this, we'll close. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Done? All the best.
sir, for your inspiring words.
Can we have a huge round of applause for sir? Rivera, the annual sports and cultural fest of VIT, boasts various sports and cultural competition.
Participants from hundreds of colleges participate and showcase their talent, dedication and competitive spirit. It's now time to recognize and celebrate excellence.
We invite our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Sonu Sood sir, to present the trophies to our overall champions in 2 categories, sports and events and cultural.
These trophies represent the culmination of hard work, dedication and outstanding performance.
Let's welcome our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Sonu Sood sir, as he honors the winners with these prestigious